In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize the Gantt chart in your project management tool. Mastering the timeline and Gantt chart views is essential for those looking to streamline their project planning and ensure everything is running smoothly and on time. Let's begin by diving into your project interface. You'll find the Timeline tab. This is your gateway to the powerful Gantt chart view. By clicking on it, you'll open up a whole new dimension of project management, allowing you to visualize your tasks in a structured, time-based manner. Now let's focus on the basics of adding tasks. There's an Add Task button that will enable you to create new tasks within your project. Remember, each task should have a designated start and due date. This is crucial because tasks without these important dates will automatically land in the Unscheduled Tasks section. This feature is extremely handy as it highlights tasks that need immediate attention or additional planning. Once you've got your tasks laid out on the timeline, it's time to connect them. Showing dependencies between tasks is key for understanding how they interrelate. And you can do this easily by using the Add Dependency option or by dragging a connector between tasks. When these dependencies are created, you'll typically see them represented by gray lines. Gray lines mean everything's as it should be, but if you see red lines, that signals a potential conflict you might need to address. Perhaps an overlapping deadline or a sequence that needs reordering. These red lines are your cue to take action and resolve these issues promptly. As your project progresses and timelines shift, you can adjust task due dates simply by dragging them along the timeline. A great feature here is that the timeline updates itself automatically, reflecting any changes you make in real time, which helps maintain an accurate view of your project schedule without any added fuss. Clicking into any given task will allow you to delve deeper into its specifics. Once there, you can manage details more granularly and explore additional settings within the timeline. This is a pivotal aspect of using the Gantt chart as it enables you to control how changes in dependencies might impact your overall schedule, ensuring everything stays on track. Harnessing Asana's timeline and Gantt chart features empowers you to plan your projects visually. It's all about making sure your projects run like clockwork, tracking every milestone, and managing your tasks with maximum efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you stay on top of your projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy project managing!